All right, so we're checking off something new off our bucket list this morning. The great David Pinto from Pinto's Pottery is here to guide us through the art of pottery. And you're also called a ceramic artist, aren't you?
I am, yes.
Good morning. But you could be called a potter.
I could.
You could.
I could. I make pots, I make sculpture, so...
Yeah, morning again. Where did this start? Well, why?
It started in high school. I came across it, just extracurricular activities, and everyone made ugly beginner pots, including myself. And I loved it, so I kept going. And that was a long time ago. I've been doing it professionally at my studio now 25 years. And...
Were you taught? Because you said you made ugly stuff. So were you taught after that?
I was taught, you try and teach, but to learn is a journey. You have to spend the hours to get a control of the material, to get an understanding of the material.
Well, there are lots of people now who want to get an understanding, whom you do provide classes for.
I do. I do local class up at my studio on Tuesday mornings.
Where's your studio? You're outside of Kingston, right?
Good Hope in Trelawney.
Trelawney, right. Okay.
Beautiful property. A little bit far from
you just did that? You made it just...
Dude, it was just a slab of clay and then all of a sudden it was a pot.
Yeah, you make it go higher type of thing.
I hope you're watching because that's your turn now.
Over turn. Sam, make me hold this way.
So the first step is just making a pot, and the wheel is a great tool for making things, you know, round and symmetrical. And you asked me about fingerprints and why things look a little different. But for me, this is a sort of standard thing, and what I'll often do is play with it once the form is made.
But how you got it to get?
He just used his hands and formed it while it was moving?
And get it higher.
I lost my tool, but I'm showing you the idea anyway.
That is called skill. So if effortlessly and naturally that, oh wow.
By the way, I can do this already, yeah?
You can? You've done it before?
No.
I thought you told me you taught David. Isn't that what you told me?
Sit down.
We lost something off
David, where you gone?
I need the wire to cut off the thing. But it dropped.
David, it's live TV still.
You see it?
That's why I thought it was fantastic.
Is that?
I don't know where you are. Is this it?
Sit here, like this.
This is it.
Oh, mercy. Perfect.
David, put on your glasses for me, please.
So they're on my head top. They're on my head top. Okay.
No, so, I have him glasses at the top of my head.
Oh, Lord.
So what you just do? What you just do?
We're recycling that one. How many minutes we have?
I feel like we just put a lot of work in that.
We have 5 minutes to go.
Okay. So, to get it in center, you put your hands around.
Mm-hmm.
Can you get Simone to do that, please?
Yes.
Come see.
As if we didn't do enough damage with the planting.
All right, let's go. No, this is
like
easy.
driving a car.
There's no butter involved. They're going to be
no.
good.
I guess you're watching that. Oh. All right.
Okay, so dip your hand. Oh, watch off, sorry. Okay, dip your hands in water. No, man.
Both?
Like you mean it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh. Both?
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay.
Hands around the clay.
Yes.
A little bit faster. Okay. So.
It feels mushy.
Okay, you feel it?
Yeah.
Moving a little bit?
Yes.
Okay, and then put one thumb on top of the other.
On top
right
of
in
the
the
other.
middle, yeah. And push slowly, yeah. It's sliding easily, there you go. You're making a pot, see there?
Making a pot, Nave.
No, the one thumb on top of the other. So
okay.
There you go, push it down now. Go this way so they can see.
If you're wondering, that music, if you saw the movie Ghost, that's
okay, cool.
Unchained Melody by the Righteous Brothers.
There we go. And now you're going to make the pot go up.
Okay.
So let's use this hand.
Yeah.
Let go a second. Let go. This hand on this side. You like this?
Yeah.
Okay, and then this hand is holding this. And you're going to squeeze here. Gentle.
Okay.
Summerone, the potter.
Slowly.
Just go and call me Ghost, call me Duppy.
Okay,
that movie was Ghost. This one looked like more like Duppy.
That's what I said.
Yes, that's why I said it because they never hear when you say it.
Oh, sorry, pardon.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Isn't that great?
Sim, make it for me, Sim, make it for me.
So you're not trying to?
No, man, Sim doing now.
No,
no, you're doing it's the best job I've ever seen.
It feels so good though.
Isn't it great?
Oh my word.
It's very
but it's therapeutic too.
It is a great feeling.
It is
My
therapeutic.
darling,
Oops.
Feel the difference?
Yes.
You need it to slide
Need a little more
smoothly like
water
that.
on it.
I hunger.
Okay, you should probably take your hand off. Take
Hunger
your hand off
for
a sec.
you.
Let's cut this. Take your hand off because I'm going to try to see if I can save it.
Ooh.
And then this cuts off here.
Not for you shake my hand.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I want that doing nothing.
Can't have it, it's
So
mine.
this-
It's not yours.
What do you mean? There we go.
High five.
No, I'm good.
Come, Nev, your turn.
I am
My
good.
turn again?
If you want.
And then what happens after that now?
So that now
Yeah. What
is
hap-
allowed to dry. Here's a piece of clay that's bone dry.
Yeah?
And if you zoom in on that, you can see it just breaks very, very easily.
I'm driving too
Okay,
fast.
so that's bone dry.
I feel she driving
And
too
then
fast.
it's
Right?
I feel like I'm
fired
driving
once.
too fast.
Okay.
and
Fired
that's
mean you bake it up.
baked to red heat.
Okay.
So that's biscuit fired.
Okay.
And then glazes are applied, which is a combination of materials that melt into glass. And that's how we get the whole range of
Okay.
final finished.
So from
Utilitarian
start to
functional
finish, what
purpose.
Sim just did, from start to finish, how long would that take?
Probably 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Well, you make
She's
it.
doing one by herself.
Make
But
some
What?
water.
you remember when you said you made
You're a
ugly?
pro.
No, you made ugly stuff. This one, this
It's
one
called
went to be
Duppy.
the
I told
ugliest.
you that, right?
What's up? What you doing?
I'm trying
Gentle,
to.
gentle, gentle. There we go. That's what we're talking about.
I meant to do it this way.
Yes, man.
It's the design. You see the curve?
Yeah. What's
It's a stand.
it? Okay.
I brought something for you.
No, I
Fair
am
enough.
good.
Sure.
I am quite fine.
All right.
So, Sir David, where
Yeah.
are you?
Good Hope in Trelawney.
Yeah. So you have classes?
I have classes Tuesday mornings. Website, Instagram is Pinto Pottery.
So people can just
see what
come in
I'm
or they
doing.
need to make an appointment?
To really learn, you need
Come, we're
to
going to go
make a
back to
commitment.
basics.
What's the
with
cost?
A drop-in is 2,000 a class. If
Drop-in.
you sign up for the term, it's less,
It's less.
about half. But then you sign up for 10 weeks and you come every
Right.
week, and that way you get a sense of the process.
And from start to finish, how long would it take me to be, not an expert, but someone who could handle it?
the end of the term, you'll make something. I mean, the first class, you'll make things that you'll keep. But by the end of the term, you'll have a sense of an understanding of the process and of being able to make things.
I
for
suspect
sure.
you have different kinds of clay, like they have clay where they put on cricket pitch and stuff. Is the same thing, clay is clay, or no?
All different. Lots of different types of clay and different firing temperatures, different
And
maturity
there's a
temperatures.
specific one that would be better than another one?
They're different for different things.
Okay.
Cricket pitch clay is perfect for that.
Okay.
What I use is different than that.
Okay.
And then within the realm of what we do, there are lots of different maturity temperatures of clay. So there's flower pots, which are the lowest firing temperature, which are the most fragile, brittle.
Yeah.
And I fire at the highest range, which is stoneware, fire to about
And clay is
2,300
easily
degrees.
available?
Sorry?
Clay is easily available?
It's about a third of the Earth's crust, I think. So there's lots of it around, but it's hard to get a consistent, reliable source. for
Can you
what
come
we
to
do.
Simone? Because I don't know what to do. Look at Simone.
Feel
You're coming to class, I can tell.
so good. It's so soothing and squishy. And
David, thanks very much for coming.
My pleasure.
Really appreciate it. Good sport. You messed up the whole studio.
Oh,
so-
excellent. That was it.
that means you did it right. High five, Nana.
No, I'm good. I'm good. You're such a...
Oh, come on.
Yeah, there you go. David Pinto from Pinto's Pottery. And fantastic work this morning. Thanks again, my friend.
Thank
Really
you.
good to see you. And great stuff. Can we get a shot of some of this stuff here? Because David, just come that way. Because he's brought some stuff. We saw some on screen, right? That's all your stuff.
Yeah, so mugs of all sizes start at 2-ounce espresso and head on
And
up the
some of
realm.
them I use the word indent. That's deliberate. That's not because you never make it proper.
Exactly.
You did it deliberately.
That's the artistic part of it.
Yeah,
That's
man.
the part that, for me, gives it
Look at my
energy
indent,
and
you see?
feeling and makes it personal.
See my indent right here?
Yeah, I see it.
That was
indent.
intentional.
All right, folks, so come. Lots more to go. No, but give to Sim. No, Sim. Respect. No, it's not. Sim. No, man. Because that means I'm going to be here today and today was one.